Welcome. Today we learn how to save photos in Google Drive. On your mobile, swipe up and access the Drive app. As the Drive app opens, ensure you are on the Files tab. So tap on the Files tab. Tap on the plus sign. Select Upload. If you want to upload only one photo, just tap on the photo. If you want to upload more than one, tap on one, then select the rest. Tap on Open. And here are the photos. They are uploaded on Google Drive. To complete the same task of saving photos in Google Drive using your computer, open your browser and then visit the link drive.google.com. As the platform opens, you may be required to log in, but in my own case, I'm logged in automatically because I have been using this browser to log into Google Drive. The next step you have to take is ensure that you are on My Drive section, which shows all the files you have in your Google Drive. Then, let's now upload photos. Tap on the plus sign. Select File Upload. This action opens the Files Explorer of your computer. So navigate to where the photos you want to save are and then get them selected. So in my own case, let me experiment with these ones. Then tap on Open. Wait for the photos to be uploaded on Google Drive. And here are the photos. They are now uploaded on Google Drive. I hope this guide helps. Like and subscribe and see you next time.